What's up, guys? Well, this is insane. I am like 30. Sorry, I forgot what I was going to say. I don't know why I'm always doing this. Like, I always mess up and go and stutter. I'm sorry, I have a bad stutter. But I got in 30 minutes. I got about 5 subscribers, and maybe if I get 100 subscribers, I will do more giveaways. At least one giveaway per week when I can. But like, if you just get this to 100, and maybe if I get to 200, I'll do. But yeah, I'm sorry. I just messed up. Maybe if I get way more, well, for next week, I'll only do 1,000 shiny rocks right now. Yeah, 5,000 this week recording this, and next week on Friday I'll end it. But comment, like, subscribe, you know the drill, and I'll ask for your username on your channel, and yeah, I'll add you and give you your shiny box. And if I hit 200 when I do it, I'll do more $20 shiny rock giveaways. Yay! So use the sound.